Welcome back to No Recipes, where we elevate everyday meals using tried and true techniques. I'm Mark Matsumoto, and today we're going to be making豚の生姜焼き, or ginger grilled pork. It's a delicious and easy Japanese entree that's made using thinly sliced pork that's marinated in fragrant ginger and savory soy sauce. Okay, let's get started. The ingredients for our ginger pork are pork shoulder, soy sauce, sake, sugar, and ginger juice. First, you want to use a sharp knife to slice the pork shoulder into thin slices against the grain. Try to get the slices about the same thickness, otherwise they're not going to cook evenly. The last slice is always the hardest, but you can butterfly it like this. Before we start the sauce, let's make some ginger juice. Just grate some ginger into a bowl. Then you pass the pulp through a tea strainer to extract the juice. Be sure to press on the solids to get as much juice out as you can. Okay, time to make the sauce. Just add the soy sauce, sake, ginger juice, and sugar to a bowl and stir the sauce until the sugar is dissolved. Now we just add the sliced pork to the ginger marinade. Then you just give it a stir to make sure the marinade gets in between every slice of pork. If you don't have time to marinate it overnight, that's okay, but give it a stir every few minutes to speed things up. Now we just cover the bowl with plastic wrap and pop it in the fridge overnight. Your marinated pork should end up looking something like this. Okay, time to grill our pork. Heat a frying pan over medium heat until hot and then add a splash of oil. Then you want to add the ginger marinated pork, being sure to spread each slice out flat. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan. That's smelling amazing already. Now we just let this fry until it's almost cooked through on one side. Then you want to flip the pork over with clean tongs or chopsticks and brown the second side. If you want to give the pork a bit more color on the first side, just flip it over again until it's looking nice and caramelized. There's an enzyme in ginger called zingiberine that breaks down the connective tissues in the meat, making it ultra tender. And the soy sauce and sake caramelize around the outside of the pork, loading it up with savory umami. I really wish you could smell how amazing this smells. Shogayaki goes perfectly with a bowl of hot rice, and in Japan we usually serve this with a refreshing shredded cabbage salad and a side of miso soup. Hit the link in the description for the full recipe, and if you enjoyed this video, leave us a like and be sure to subscribe for more delicious everyday meals.